Welcome back to the workshop, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. A real quick one today on powder post beetle infestation. So what are powder post beetles? Well, powder post beetles are little bugs that get into the bark and then into the sapwood of your wood, and they bore in. Let's see if we can find a spot here and focus. See those little black dots right there in the middle of the screen? Those are powder post beetle holes. And there's more all along the sapwood. So, certain woods tend to be prone to powder post beetle. White oaks and live oaks are one of them, but they're not alone. Any wood that has a high moisture content that dries slowly, and if conditions are right, you will get powder post infestation. So we've got some here, and there's that dust on the floor, and so on. So I'm not going to make this a long video because the ash doesn't have it. Okay, all the ash does not have it, and nor does the tulip poplar. Because number one, the ash was drier. Ash is a drier wood to begin with, and the tulip poplar was in the barn since before winter. So it already began to dry out. It's at about 22% already, even these 5-inch thick slabs. So, how do you control the powder post beetles? Well, it's very simple. If I didn't want powder post beetle infestation, number one, I don't deal in green wood. Number two, I eliminate the sapwood, which is the food for the tree that contains the highest level of sugars. I'm just using the general term sugars. You can call it carbohydrates, you can get real scientific, but it's where the food is for the tree, the sapwood. And that goes back to what my master told me. He says, get rid of the sapwood. We don't want it in our furniture. The other way to control it is with chemicals. There are chemicals like Tim-bor, T-I-M-B-O-R, which can be diluted in water and sprayed on. The second way is through heat. Now, being that these are green, I don't want to subject them to heat at this time. But over time, as you dry the wood and then subject it to heat, you'll kill the bugs. And lastly is vacuum drying. So if you pull a 100% vacuum on a chamber that contains a piece of timber, it will suck every bit of air out of it, which means the bugs will die and their eggs will pop. But you can destroy the wood in the meantime too. So that's about it for today. I just wanted to let you know what powder post beetle infestation looks like. If you see dust on the floor under your wood that is not from machining, if it's light color or if it's dark color and it's out of the ordinary, you need to inspect further, because this stuff can get into your home, into your other structures, and so on. So that's about it for today. If you found it useful, helpful, maybe entertaining, give it the old thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, if this is the first time you've come by and you like this sort of content, subscribe and click the bell and we'll notify you when we have other videos coming up. As always, one of the most important things is to head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.